Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and simply for checking you can use both. I mean Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some charges because the files connected with the update are quite large. Alright, so we've got the internet connection. Now we can open the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find this option which is called System Updates. So let's tap on it. And here we have to simply tap on Check for Updates. And now your device will basically check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.